Okay, YouTube. I'm going to show you guys how to roll a cigarette with one hand. I recently hurt my hand, so I'm going to do this video because I saw a couple out there and some of them cheated. So I just want to show you how I do it. First, I'm just going to grab, of course, a paper. I'm going to grab a little something to put it on here. Kind of fold it up like this a little bit. Something to work with. Okay, just like normal, I got my sticky side up here. I'm going to fold it in thirds. Just get things started here. Now you don't want to fold it completely, you just kind of want to bend it. Like that. Let it hang over the side, maybe a half inch or so. I'm going to take a medium, just a medium amount, and put it in there. You don't have to fill it to the brim. And then I'm going to grab it about a third in from the left in this case. I'm going to keep it tilted to my left so that this stuff over on the right doesn't pour out. And then I'm going to sort of get it started, my left hand. I'm going to use my tongue on the right side there. And then my upper lip is going to wrap the rest of the paper around the top. And there you go. One-handed rolling a cigarette. Like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. Put your comment down if you want to show me how you do it.